expert committee of the steps being taken by the government from time to time. Most importantly, it is तुमका खबर आहे की काल 8 डेथ जाल्ले आसा PSI हॉस्पिटलान आणि आम्ही गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान पयली बी आम्ही तुमका सांगताना सांगलेले की वी आर ट्रायing to see that high risk cases and critical cases are going to be shifted, going to be treated what we can in the ESI hospital and what we can in the Goa Medical College. 145, 146, 147 is now fully operational. We will be putting patients, admitting patients in that all the, in those wards from Monday. आणि आमच्या post operative positive COVID patients जे आहात, that we are already created a separate 30-bedded ward and in Goa Medical College that is already 132 that is already commissioned today. आज हांव तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान गोंयची जनतेक इतलें सांगूंक सोदता की आमी प्रत्येक पावल आज आमी जे रिव्ह्यू केला की ICU ची आनी रिक्वायरमेंट आमकां आहा. आमकां स्टाफिंग एंड एडिशनल करचे पडटले ओनली फॉर ICU मॅनेजमेंट इन द कोविड हॉस्पिटल. आमकां एडिशनल जे स्टाफ लागता ते मुख्यमंत्री कडेन पावोवपाचो आमी निश्चित पावोवन डिस्कस करून ताबडतोब ते बेगिना बेगीन त्यांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सँक्शन करून घेवन त्यो गोष्टी आमी मार्गार लायतले. What we want to do is we want to have one nurse per 3 to 4 beds. आता कितें जाला आमी स्टाफ घेतले तरी बी आमकां कमी पडूंक लागला because some people get infected, some people put on rotation basis. So as a result of which we are trying to see what best we can do in order to get more staff. आमकां आता कमी खंय पडूंक लागला की ICU trained nurses गावपाक मुश्कील जाल्या. आमी आता डिसिजन घेतले की आमचे काही सिनियर नर्सेस जे आमचे एक्सपिरियन्स नर्सेस आहात तांकां गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान ते हाय डिपेंडन्स युनिट जे केला डीनान आमचे डॉक्टर बांदेकरान जे हाय डिपेंडन्स युनिट केला आणि डॉक्टर डिसा आहात त्यांच्याकडे त्यांचे बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम आमचो एपिडेमॉलॉजिस्ट उत्कर्ष त्याच बरोबर आमच्या मदी जे कितें आमी हे हाय डिपेंडन्स युनिट आणि ITU हे सगळे कडेन कशे कशे स्टाफ रिडिप्लॉय करपाक जाय ते रिडिप्लॉय करपाचे डिसिजनां घेतल्या. उद्देश इतलो आसा की एक्सपर्ट कमिटीन आमचे डॉक्टर ऑस्कर आसा, डॉक्टर मोलियो आसा, डॉक्टर वीरेन गांवकर आसा, डॉक्टर राजेश्वर नायक आसा, डॉक्टर एडी आमचे हॉस्पिटल्स आसा, डायरेक्टर हेल्थ सर्विसेस काय मुद्दम सांगला प्रत्येक मिटिंगेक तुम्ही मुद्दम येवचे. डीन आहा, सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ आशिल्ली, हांव आहा, डॉक्टर वीरेन गांवकर, तेजे उपरांत आनी कोण आहा आनी हे सगळे आमचे प्रायव्हेट सेक्टर आणि गव्हर्नमेंट सो दॅट वी हॅव अ कॉमन प्रोटोकॉल. सांगपाचो मुद्दो इतलो आसा की ऑक्सिजन सप्लाय कितें जाला ऑक्सिजन कन्झम्पशन वाढूंक लागला कारण मोर अँड मोर पीपल बिकॉज वी रिक्वायर HFNO मशीन्स एंड अदर थिंग्स. सो आमकां ते बी जाग्यार घालूंक जाय की खंयचेय परिस्थितीत ऑक्सिजन शॉर्ट सप्लाय जावन उपयोग ना कित्याक इतलें कन्झम्पशन गोंय राज्यात जातलें म्हणून ह्या कोविडा खातीर आमी केन्ना स्वप्नान बी चिंतूंक नाशिल्ले त्या तरेचें कन्झम्पशन लावंक लागला. आनी म्हणूनच हे सगळे गोष्टी काल सोडेकसून आपले जेवण दिवपाचे बी सगळे आमी भायले जेवण बी ESI हॉस्पिटलांत घेना आनी आमी सगळे प्रोफेशनली जे कितें फीडबॅक घेवन वी हॅव एन्श्योर्ड दॅट दॅट एजन्सी इज पुट ऑन बोर्ड सो दॅट एवरी पेशंट इज टेकन केअर ऑफ बेस्ड ऑन हिज कंडिशन. Suppose he's a diabetic patient, then the food has to be given as per that. Suppose he's a hypertensive patient, then the food has to be given as per that. So as per the patient's requirement, the label is put and accordingly given. I बी माझे ट्विटरार आणि फेसबुकार अपलोड केल्लो. पण त्याच बरोबर आमकां सामान्य मनशाचे जीवन आणि हे कशे रिड्यूस हे कोमॉर्बिड डेथ्स जे आहा ते कशे रिड्यूस करपाचे तेजेर आमचे विचार चालू आहा. डिस्कशन करून आमी ठरयलें की एडिशनल स्टाफिंग आमकां हे ICU चलोवपाक जाय ते आमी करून घेतले. मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताच्या माध्यमांतल्यान ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी आमी तांकां ब्रीफ करून आमी ते पास करून बेगिना बेगीन घेवपाचें ऑलरेडी ठरयलां. आनी त्या पर्यंत आमी ठरयलें की जे नर्सीस नवे घेतल्या तांकां आमी GMC डिप्लॉय करून थोडे सिनियर नर्सीस ते हाय डिपेंडन्स युनिट आनी ESI हॉस्पिटलांत डिप्लॉय करपाची गरज आहा. प्लस आमी एक आनी विनंती केल्या की सजेशन आशिल्ली की जे रिलेटिव्स येतात वी विल बी गिविंग वन पास like how we are doing in ESI hospital for 6 hours, and they'll have to wear a PPE and go inside because we will not allow the relatives to come inside without PPE. Dean has to implement it for Monday itself. That same system that is there in ESI hospital, I think doctor will do that. आम्ही आजपर्यंत प्लाझ्मा कलेक्शनाक आम्ही more than 61 approximately 61 प्लाझ्मा पॅक्स आमकां गावल्या. त्याच्यातले आता फक्त 14 उरल्या. आमकां तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान परत गोंयचे जनतेक विनंती करपाची गरज आहा की तुम्ही जे कोविड हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान जे पेशंट रिकवर जावन गेला त्यांनी मुद्दम फुडें येवचे प्लाझ्मा डोनेट करपाक. प्लाझ्मा डोनेट केल्यार तुम्ही कोणाचे तरी जीवन तुम्ही वाचू शकता आणि लोकांक गरज आहा प्लाझ्माची. आम्ही पळयला की रेमडेसिवीर आणि प्लाझ्माचो कॉम्बिनेशन जो आहा It has been working very well. पयर प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटल बी केन्ना आमकां मागतात सरकारा कडेन, आमी रेमडेसिवीर तांकां दिल्ले आसा. काय हॉस्पिटलांत आमकां व्हेंटिलेटर बी मागले, ते बी आमी तांकां दिवपाचे 2-3-4 व्हेंटिलेटर कितें दिवपाचे आमी दिल्ले आसा. कारण आतां विशय इतलो आसा की लोकांचो जीवन वाचोवपाक जाय जाल्यार सरकार सगळे तरेन स्टेप इन करपाचें काम करता. हेल्थ सर्विसीस आसूं, गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आसूं, डीन आसूं, डायरेक्टर आसूं, आमी सगळे दीस रात, सेक्रेटरी आसूं, आमी सगळे दीस रात काम करता इतल्याच खातीर की लोकांचें जीवन कशें आमी वाचूं शकता हेजेरूच आमचें काम चल्लां. आमी खंयच्याच लेवलाचेर केन्नाच आमी कसलेच आमचे गोष्टी जे आमी हाडटा गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान आमी क्वॉलिटी कॉम्प्रोमायज करूंक ना आनी आमी क्वॉलिटी कॉम्प्रोमायज करचे ना. आतां जशी आमची चर्चा चल्ल्या आमी एडिशनल एक ऑक्सिजन सप्लायर ऑन बोर्ड घेवपाची डिनाक विनंती केला, कित्याक आमकां एडिशनल ऑक्सिजनाची गरज पडूंक लागल्या. त्याच बरोबर आमी तुमकां सांगल्या प्रमाणे वेगळे तरेचे एसओपीज पेशंट वेगळे तरेचे एसओपीज जे ESI GMC आनी पोंडा खातीर ते डीन ड्राफ्ट करून ते सर्क्युलेट करतले बेस्ड ऑन द टायप ऑफ पेशंट्स टू बी एडमिटेड इन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज, the type of patients to be admitted in the ESI hospital and the type of patients to be admitted in SDH Ponda. SDH Ponda has already become functional. त्याच्या भायर थंय जे कितें इक्विपमेंट HFNO बी फाटल्या फावट सांगले ते ऑलरेडी FD कडेन फायल केल्ले आसा. ते वी आर प्रोक्युरिंग ऑल दॅट थ्रू स्टेट फंड्स. काय लोक फुडें आयिल्ले आसा HFNO मशीन्स डोनेट करपाक, ते बी आमकां ह्या विकान गावतले. आमकां वेगवेगळे तरेचे लेवलाचे मशिनरीची गरज आसा आनी हे सगळे गोष्टी आमी जाग्यार घालिता. दर आठवड्यान आमी कितें थरयलां की आमी कंटिन्युअस ब्रिफिंगाची गरज ना. दर फ्रायडे आमी जेन्ना एक्सपर्ट कमिटीची मिटींग घेता तांकां तेंचे सजेशन घेवन कितें कितें चल्लां. आयज तुमी पळयलां की इट इज नॉट स्पेरिंग एनीबडी. अ मॅन फ्रॉम एनी स्ट्राटा ऑफ लायफ इज गेटिंग इन्फेक्टेड. टुडे टू द हायेस्ट पर्सन or to the most wealthy person or to the most poorest person, all are getting infected with this COVID-19. As a result, as a state government, we have to see that we step in and we take the right step with the support of the Dean Goa Medical College, Dr. Utkarsh bhi pili खूप he's been in the thing from the beginning. आमचो डॉक्टर डीसा हा हेल्थ सर्विसेसचे डायरेक्टर, आमचे मुख्यमंत्री हा, त्यांचे सहकार्यान आमी खूपशे गोष्टी करूंक पावले. आनी आयज बी जो रिपोर्ट आयला, गोवा इज टेस्टिंग वन ऑफ द हायेस्ट इन द कंट्री इन पर मिलियन. आनी म्हणूनच तुमकां सांगपाचो उद्देश इतलो आसा की आमची सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ दीस रात काम करता. चीफ सेक्रेटरीचे सहकार्यान हे सगळे गोष्टी फुडें व्हरपाचें काम आमी चालू केल्या. फाल्यां आमी डीन मंडे मिटींग घेतले आपले HODचे मिटींग घेवन नॉन इसेन्शियल जे गोष्टी आहा तेंचे प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटान जे तांकां दिसता की इसेन्शियल आहा तेच चालू उरतले. बाकी जे नॉन इसेन्शियल गोष्टी आहा ते आमी सस्पेंड करतले आनी त्यो डॉक्टर स्टाफ त्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे दुसरी कडेन एक्टिविटी पर्टेनिंग टू कोविड आमी डिप्लॉय करतले. आमी जाय तशे सँक्शनां घेतल्या सरकाराच्यो, जाय तशे आमी सरकारांतल्यान आमी डॉक्टर्स रिडिप्लॉय करपाक रेसिडेंट सिनियर रेसिडेंट कोविड ड्युटीक तांकां घालपाचें काम चालू आसा. बॉन्डचे डॉक्टराक बी आमी बिटवीन DHS आनी ESI हॉस्पिटल GMC आनी SDH पोंडा ओल्ड हॉस्पिटल ऑल्सो वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन फॉर टू मेक दॅट इंटू अ पोस्ट नेटल एंड एंटीनेटल सेंटर. म्हणजे ते हॉस्पिटल बी शिफ्ट जातले टू रेग्युलर हॉस्पिटल विल गेट शिफ्टेड टू साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल. So once that happens, all these things we are doing, and I do understand the perception in the minds of the public because of the rise in the case of COVID in the state of Goa, and also the deaths. How do we bring them under control? As a result of which, whatever protocol needs to be, with the help of the dean, with the help of the director DHS, with the help of the private sector, we are combining our forces to understand what is the SOPs that would be, what we need to do, what steps we need to take in order to bring this under control, which we are doing. I would like to assure you on the eve of Ganesh Chaturthi to wish the people also and also appeal to them. Again, I would like to appeal. केन्ना criticism येता, पण appeal इतलेंच आहा की पर्सनलायज्ड तुमी तुमचो पर्सनलायज्ड ते करपाची गरज आहा. गणेश चतुर्थी साजरो लोकांनी आवडटे तेवटेन वचपाची गरज ना, आपापल्या घरान साजरो करचो. कारण कित्याक कोणाकूय तुमकां हांव एक सांगता, खंय आयज हांव अजाप जालो. हांव खंय एकटो मनीस आय डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट दॅट ही वूड गेट कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह. म्हणजे this is not sparing anybody. It is going, suddenly you find somebody telling you that I am positive. It doesn't spare anybody. It is infecting anybody, however much precautions you take. But where our job is concerned, like I mentioned to you, that we are going to ensure strict protocols are maintained in the hospital. Otherwise, what will happen if a relative of a patient goes in and doesn't wear protective gear? State can't give everybody protective gear, but if he goes in and he moves around everywhere freely and he gets infected, then possibility of he infecting another 10, 15, 20 people is there. As a result of which we are going to have strict protocols in place, and we are not going to bend down as far as these things are concerned. It is necessary for us to be very cautious to see, because he is not only going to infect his family if he goes in and I don't follow strict protocol, but he will infect our own staff also which is there by going in, coming out. Because our staff goes in with PPE and everything. So without PPE we are not going to allow anybody in this 144, 145, 146. Even in the, these are the same rules that are followed in the ESI hospital. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे आम्ही क्लॅरिफिकेशन एकूच की आम्ही जे कितें केलां आयज पर्यंत आमी सगळे कॅबिनेट अप्रुवल घेवन सगळ्या गोष्टी केल्ले आसा. गोंयची जनतेन एका काळ अशी आशिल्ली की आमकां धडपडचें पडटालें पीपीई घेवपाक, कोणूच दिवपाक तयार नाशिल्ले. आमकां खबर आसा कितें परिस्थिती आशिल्ली. 200, 100, 200, 300 दिसाक पीपीई गावताले. आयज आमी जे व्हेंटिलेटर प्रोक्यूर केला तेजेंतले 192 व्हेंटिलेटर्स आर ऑलरेडी इन्स्टॉल्ड एंड कमिशन्ड. आनी जे कितें आमकां करूंक जाय गोयचे जनतेचे हितान आमी कामां केल्या. प्रत्येक गोष्टीक आमी कॅबिनेट अप्रुवल घेतलेले आसा आनी प्रत्येक गोष्टीक कॅबिनेट अप्रुवल घेवन कितें आसता की गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियान कांय कडेन सस्पेन्शन केल्लें आसा ऑफ फायनान्स रुल्स. पूण तेजो अर्थ ना की आमी भायल्या भायर काय करूं शकता. प्रत्येक गोष्ट कम्स टू द कॅबिनेट. इट कम्स टू द कॅबिनेट एंड गेट्स रॅटिफायड बाय द कॅबिनेट. And the cabinet then looks at it, gives the clearance. Whatever state funds are used, we use it through the FD to get it cleared. Now, just now as we speak, Dean requires HFNO machines. We have to procure it fast. We have to save somebody's life. Private hospital बी आम्ही मदत केली आसा. आमचे व्हेंटिलेटर 4 काढून आम्ही त्यांना दिल्ले आसा कित्याक थंयचे पेशंटाचे जीवन वाचूंक जाय. कारण गोंयांत पयली कॅपॅसिटी फक्त 70 आशिल्ली. तुमकां याद आसतलें की केन्ना एका काळी एक टाइम अशें आशिल्लो, डिनाक खबर आसतली, आमी डिनाक फोन करताले रातचे आनी बेड जाय आसलो, व्हेंटिलेटर, आयसीयून बेड. म्हणजे पेशंटाक कोणाक कोण तरी सुदरला ताका भायर काडून मागीर दुसऱ्या पेशंटाक घालप. याद आसतली तुमकां. आनी म्हणून आयज आमी ते विचार सारको केला की ते स्टॅटिस्टिक्स जे आहा, जे WHO चे नॉर्म्स आहा, 15 लाखाचे कॅपॅसिटी, 15 लाखाचे पॉप्युलेशन आहा, त्यांचे हिशोबा प्रमाणे 2000 व्हेंटिलेटर आसूंक जाय त्या स्टेटीन. पण आमचे कडेन 2000 ना, आमचे कडेन 270 आहा. म्हणून आम्ही ते 270 व्हेंटिलेटर घेतले इतल्याच खातीर की मागीर फुडाऱ्याक हे कोविड जेन्ना वयतले तेन्ना आमी ते गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान आमी ऑलरेडी आतां जे अरेंजमेंट केल्या, एक 80 ते 100 बेडीड आमी टॉप क्लास आयसीयू करूं शकता. आमचे सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटलांत थंय 100 बेडीड, थंय 100 स्लॉट्स आहा फॉर व्हेंटिलेटर्स. ते भायर साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलां आझिलो आसा. आमचे कितले हॉस्पिटल्स HDH फोंडा जे काही गरज पडटा. पण आमी सगळे गोष्टी कॅबिनेटाचे थ्रू केल्ले आसा. हांव एक तुमकां सगळ्यांक विनंती करता की आयजच्या दिसा आमी जी चर्चा केल्या की आमकां आनी इंटरव्हेन्शनिस्टची गरज आहा. कांय लोक जॉईन जावपाक तयार आहा गव्हर्मेंटाक आनी तांकां बी ते प्रपोजल डिनाक म्हाका दिसता प्रपोजल आमी सांगला की डॉक्टर उदय काकोडकर की तांकां जे वॉट शॉर्टफॉल हे हॅज टू पुट इट टू द डीन विल देन पुट इट टू द गव्हर्मेंट. बोथ डीन, डॉक्टर्स फ्रॉम द प्रायव्हेट सेक्टर लायक डॉक्टर वास्कर, डॉक्टर विरेन गांवकर, डॉक्टर मोरियो, डॉक्टर राजेश्वर नायक, डॉक्टर एडी, हे सगळे डॉक्टर डी आमचे डीसा फॉर DHS, यांच्या मध्ये कंटिन्यूअस देर इज अ communication based on which we are trying to see how best we can provide the quality services as far as the ESI hospital is concerned. I am happy that the GMC has taken upon itself to take care of the critical patients of COVID-19, so that in the Goa Medical College itself, with all the specialists, we are able to provide good healthcare facilities to the people. I would like to thank GMC and DHS also. Both of them are doing hard work. DHS doctors, Director DHS, Dean Goa Medical College, Secretary Health and Chief Secretary, and आमकां हे ओवरऑल गायडन्स ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर आमी हे सगळे कामां करता. पूण आमकां जर पळयलें, दिस इज लायक अ चॅलेंज. एवरी डे द सिच्युएशन इज चेंजिंग. Hence the media, which is very very important for all of us, it is your duty to support us and also to help us. Importance of donating plasma also should be put forward to the people. And you know, आनी एक सांगता, बेश्टे प्लाज्मा कोणाचेच आमी घेवं शकना. जो कोविड हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान जो डिस्चार्ज जाता तेजे प्लाज्मा हॅज गॉट अ हायर टायटर एंड एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ विच इट इज बेनिफिशियल टू अस. Simply we cannot take somebody who is recovered from COVID. Perhaps the level of that thing of his content, what is required in his blood may be much less. As a result of which we cannot use his plasma for the benefit of another patient. My only request to all of you is try to popularize this to tell we have got a apheresis machine in Goa Medical College. We have got a doctor who has come from AIIMS and joined us for transfusion medicine, MD in transfusion medicine. We are taking Dr. Alvarez also now, his note is moved to cabinet, who was earlier in Victor Apollo for gastro. त्याच्यानंतर हरीश पेशवे जॉईन झाला, त्याच्यानंतर डॉक्टर मंगेशकर म्हणून त्याचं प्रपोजल ऑलरेडी केल्लें आसा फॉर गायनेक. हे सगळे जे डॉक्टर जे आमकां येता, जे कोण येवंक सोदता, जे आमकां जॉईन जावंक सोदता स्पेशलिस्ट लायनान, तांकां घेवपाचें आमचें काम चालूच आसा. सरकारान आनी मुख्यमंत्रीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान ह्यो गोश्टी चालूच आसा. एकूच सांगता की तुमचो सगळ्यांचो मिडियाचो, प्रत्येक मिडिया हावसाचो आमकां सपोर्ट लागतलो हे फुडें व्हरपाक. हांव एक तुमकां आश्वासन दिता, हांव हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री गेल्या 5 वर्सां पयलीं पळयली आनी आयज जे चॅलेंजीस आमचे फुडें आयले केन्ना केन्ना भंय बी दिसता म्हाका. आनी भंय इतल्या खातीर दिसता की कोणाकूच केन्ना केन्ना कोण सायडीक बसला काय फुडें बसला काय, आतां डीन बसला म्हाजे कडेन, डीन JMC भंयान हांव दीस काडूं शकना. बरोबर आहा काय ना? ताका आपलें काम करचें पडटा. फाल्यां जर डीन भितूर सरलो आनी सांगलें की आतां आमी कोण खंयच वयचो ना म्हणजे मागीर जालें काम आमचें काम तमाम. डायरेक्टर DH आसा ताका भोंवचें पडटा, सगळे कडेन वयचें पडटा. म्हणजे प्रत्येक डॉक्टर, प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटाचो हेड आपलें लायफ रिस्कार घालून काम करता. गोंयचे जनतेचे हितान आमी काम करता. आमी खंयच फाटीं सरचे ना. पूण हे सगळ्या गोश्टी खातीर मिडियाचो आमकां तेंको आसल्यार आमी मिडियाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान प्लाझ्मा हेचे खातीरूच तुमी आमकां सपोर्ट करचे की फुडें येवचे. एंड यू नो विथ द न्यू मशीन एंड विथ द एक्सपर्ट्स दॅट वी हॅव गॉट टुडे इन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज, देर इज नॉट नो हार्म टू दॅट इंडिविज्युअल हू डोनेट्स प्लाझ्मा. आयज आमचे कडेन फक्त 14 पॅक्स आसा. पयर आमी ऑनरेबल युनियन मिनिस्टराचे मिस्टर श्रीपाद नाईक तांकां बी आमी प्लाझ्मा एडमिनिस्टर केले एंड हीज लायफ चेंज्ड. I mean, virtually, I'm so happy that we started plasma therapy in Goa Medical College because today it has brought him actually. He's improved his condition. I'm very happy that he's come out of the situation. आमकां भंय जाल्लो मदीं, पण ह्याच तरेन प्लाझ्मा काम करता. प्लाझ्मा एकटेच काम करिना. रेमडेसिवीर आनी प्लाझ्माचे कॉम्बिनेशन वापरू शकता. रेमडेसिवीर आनी स्टेरॉइडाचे कॉम्बिनेशन तुम्ही वापरू शकता. प्रत्येक पेशंटाचेर हे वेगळे वेगळे तरेन काम करता. आनी म्हणूनच तुमचे सगळ्यांचे सपोर्ट असल्यार हे मातशे लोकांच्या मनान वचपाची गरज आसा की प्लाझ्मा आपूण डोनेट केल्यार आमी तेजो दुसऱ्या मनशाचें जीवन तुम्ही वाचूं शकता. आयज आमचे कडेन फक्त 14 पॅक्स आहा. म्हणून तुमकां हांव सांगता की हे दर फ्रायडे आमी ब्रिफींग तुमकां दितली. सेक्रेटरी गेल्यार दुसरे मिटिंगेक हांव बी थंय वयतलो थोड्या वेळार. पूण एक लक्षात घ्या की वी आर डुईंग एवरीथींग पॉसिबल टू सी दॅट एवरीथींग इज पुट ऑन ट्रॅक. आमी नवे ऑटो एनालायझर एंड हेमॅटॉलॉजी सेल काउंट मशीन बी ऑर्डर केल्या दोन्ही हॉस्पिटलाक. ते प्रपोजल आयले आसतले डीन कडेन. आणि त्याच बरोबर प्रत्येक आणि एक वॉट एव्हर इज पॉसिबल, वॉट एव्हर इज टू बी डन दॅट वी आर डुईंग. पेशंट हँडलिंग ऑल्सो विल बी इन प्लेस वन्स that new agency is put on board. I am very happy that Sodexo is on board because at least quality of food and other things are maintained and there is a proper maintenance of certain hygiene and for the healthcare people in the state. आणि एक सांगता तुमकां की आमी कितें थरयला, Sodexo जे दिता जेवण न्ही, इट इज नॉट ओनली फॉर पेशंट, इट इज ऑल्सो फॉर अटेंडंट हू इज विथ हिम. ताका बी जेवण आमचे डॉक्टरांक जेवण आनी आमचे जे स्टाफ आहा तांकां बी जेवपाची सोय आमी केल्ली आसा. म्हणजे तो अटेंडंट तो खंय वयतलो 6 वरां जर तो बसून आसो, ही ऑल्सो इज टेकन केअर ऑफ. फॉर द अटेंडंट्स ऑल्सो वी हॅव मेड सम डॉमेटरी अरेंजमेंट्स ऑपोजिट द ESI हॉस्पिटल. सो गव्हर्नमेंट अंडर द चीफ मिनिस्टरशिप ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर we are taking every precaution and providing every care to the people of the state of Goa. आणि इतलेच आशिल्ले आयज. आणि हांव परत सांगता तुमकां की 145, 146, 147 will be commissioned in GMC. For it, one will be a high dependence unit of more than around 20-25 beds with ventilators and HFNO and everything. Monday it will be commissioned. काम चालू आहे. तुम्ही फोटो दाखयता जाल्यार तुम्ही तांकां दाखोवंक जाल्यार दाखोवपाक मंडे दाखोवपाचें तांकां. तुमकां आमी सर्क्युलेट करता ते. आणि मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की this is the way we are approaching the problem. And if you notice, last 1 week has been dramatic. As so many people in public life also have got COVID. So everybody is scared. It's not that it's not insulating any particular strata of society or particular individual. It is affecting anybody and anybody. Hence we are ready from our side. So we are taking all the private hospitals also on board. They have been also very supportive. Government hospitals are working overtime. Maximum load of COVID-19 is on Goa Medical College, and Director of Health Service and the doctors from both these places, though now the private hospitals also which are identified are admitting patients. and I'm very happy and we have taken a decision. पहिले Victor Apollo हॉस्पिटलान त्यांका रेमडेसिवीरची गरज आशिल्ली. DHSच्या थ्रू आम्ही रेमडेसिवीर ESI हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान आम्ही रेमडेसिवीर धाडून कोणाचे जीवन जर वाचू शकता हांगा मागीर कायदो बी लागना. कोणाचे जीवन वाचूंक जाय जाल्यार तेन्ना आमकां डिसिजन घेवचें पडटा. बाबा धाडून दी म्हणून त्या प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटलान तो केन्ना घेतलो ते मागीर पळोवपाचें. पयलीं तेजे मनशाचे गोंयचो मनीस ते एडमीट आहा तेजें जीवन आमकां वाचोवंक जाय. आनी ह्याच तरेन आमी कामां केल्या. आयज मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलान रिक्विजिशन आशिल्ली फॉर प्लाझ्मा ताबडतोब धाडून दी म्हणून सांगलें. एकूच रिक्विजिशन धाडून द्या. आमचे कडेन जर प्लाझ्मा आहा आमी प्लाझ्मा धाडून दिता म्हणजे तेजो जीवन आमी वाचोवं शकता. आनी तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान एकूच विनंती तुमकां सगळ्यांक गणेश चतुर्थीची शुभेच्छा. हांव मागता देवा कडेन की फुडली गणेश चतुर्थी आमी बऱ्यापैकी साजरो करून आमकां संदी गावतली. कारण ह्या वर्सा म्हाका दिसना कोण कोणाच्या घरा वयतलो. आपण आपल्या घरान गणेश चतुर्थी साजरो करचो. आणि हे जे हांवें तुमकां उल्लेख केला हे सगळे गोष्टी मार्गार घालपाचें काम कंटिन्यूस आमी काम चालू आमी दवरल्या. इतलेंच. देव बरें करूं.
Sir, you have started treatment in private hospitals.
Yeah.
Is there a cap on the private hospital? Secondly, my question is, there is a shortage of doctors in COVID hospital. And
I just said no that whatever.
Yes, and the third thing is the COVID hospital in Marmav is full to the capacity. Okay.
It is full. That's why Ponda we have opened. Monday we are opening. All critically high critical people will be shifting to Goa Medical College. So there's at this stage with Ponda, with ESI Hospital, and with Goa Medical College, I don't see this pressure on me because all highly dependent and critically ill patients will be in Goa Medical College. So we are drawing a protocol internally to distribute how the patients need to be distributed. I just mentioned that those SOPs will be circulated. Most important is that it takes time, because we need to see that all the facilities are provided, separate entrance, each and every aspect. 145, 140, 147 had to be commissioned. It's delayed by about 4-5 days.
About shortage of doctors.
Shortage of doctors. That's why we are using all born doctors, all the doctors who are there, senior residents, junior residents. And also I just mentioned to you that we are in the process of shutting down and based on the HOD's discussion what the dean. We have already put 27 born doctors in COVID hospital for next week. We have already taken a decision and to put it. So wherever shortfall, through bond we'll be doing, and also third year nursing students where it is mandatory for them to work in the hospital. That also decision on file we have taken, and we will see. Many times there are reservations and all, but we have to see what is there as per the curriculum. We will be using that.
So
it is there as per the guidelines of the nursing council.
You said the private hospitals are being helped by the government or like
We are helping each other.
But what about the overcharging done by the
No, see, again I'm telling you, as far as we are concerned, we are trying to provide all help and healthcare within the government hospital and within our setup. Whatever shortfall is there, doctors are phoning us. We are taking doctors on board and we are taking doctors into the system.
So there is no cap on this private hospital?
No, cap. I am not concerned about the pricing, but if somebody brings it to my knowledge, then we will definitely look into it because the government of India also has said that there should be a control on the charging. But same time, let me put it to you that people are going to private sector out of choice. I am not asking somebody to go to the private sector. I am making all arrangements for the people of the state of Goa within my system and my setup. And nowhere they need to go. We are also trying to see where all we can create the rooms, where all we can create more wards. Like I told you that as a result of which non-essential activities which I can postpone. Ophthalmology I can postpone. Cataract can be planned and done at a later stage. So Dean will take a lead. Dean take an official meeting. Prioritizing has to come from the Goa Medical College HODs of the respective departments. Remember one thing, it's very easy sometimes for me to say, we have been implementing and doing exactly what we said. Remember that Goa Medical College is the only tertiary institute in the state of Goa. It's not a place where we have multiple tertiary institutes. As a result, we have to see that what decisions we take are in overall perception
no,
of
but the
Goa.
secretary had said that the private hospitals have to inform the department about the charges what they are going to do.
Whatever secretary has said will be checked by director DHS. So secretary is whatever decision that has been taken, she intimates to you that will be followed. If we have taken a decision internally.
Director, can you just it is almost a month since what we.
Your order also mentions that private hospital have to inform the pricing to the government.
Yeah, they have informed the pricing. Now we are in the process of working out what should be the rates.
We'll check that. Now only they have got.
My last question, sir. Sir, my last question.
Sir.
You have spent about 1.7 crores for these arsenic medicines and all those things, Ayurveda. Now that the Ayush Minister itself was himself sick.
तुका सांगू हांव सुरेश,
Yeah.
काळो बिडो टर्मरीक ऑयल बी हांव बी घेता.
Uh,
कितें कोण दिता तें घेता, म्हाकाय फरक पडना.
but was
ना
that
कि-
1.7
ना कितें आहा पळय,
crores?
कोण आतां म्हाका कोणी तरी फोन पयत केलो की ब्रायने इज अ व्हेरी गुड मेडिसिन दिवपाक. कोण इम्युनिटी बिल्डअप करपाक आयुष मंत्रालयान जेन्ना गायडलायन काडल्या, कितें तरी विचार करून काडले आसतले न्ही काडले. आनी आय टेल यू, लेट्स बी व्हेरी ह्युमन ऑन दीस एस्पेक्ट. फाल्यां आयुष आमचो बाब श्रीपाद नायक, हू इज अ व्हेरी गुड ह्युमन बीइंग, ही फॉल्स इल. He has virtually gone into the doors of death and come back. I think what decision, it has nothing to do with his life and the using of arsenic. It is never made mandatory for anybody. कोणाक जाय असले ते घेवपाचे, ते सरकारान ते केला, पण आयुष मंत्रालय जे केंद्रान आहा, they must have taken some decision and some sort of research must have been done. It is not anything but an immunity booster. Immunity booster that is. Now it was bad luck that he got infected. He moves around among public. A public figure is a person who goes to every nook and corner of society. So it was bad luck. Actually, we should be
But he
praying
should-
for his fast
but he must be
recovery.
taking the arsenic medicine, so that did not build up his immunity.
See, tomorrow, God forbid, I get COVID. I'm telling you in your presence. I have just been lucky. I am taking, somebody suggested that I should take turmeric oil and काढो बी जे घरान सगळे आमचे गोंयचे सगळे घरान ते पयलींच्यान म्हणटा ते घेवपाक बरो ना जाल्यार ते काढो घेवपाचो. आतां फाल्यां जालें जाल्यार कितें करपाचें, आतां फाल्यां डीन आमचो आहा. डीन आतां भिवन दीस काडल्यार जावचें ना न्ही, आतां सगळ्याक पुरोवन म्हणटा तो आतां तेचे कडेन बसपाचें ना. आतां ते जालें आतां कितें करतलो मागीर फुडें. लास्टाक गोंयचे जनतेचें जीवन वाचोवपाक म्हणून आमी सगळे आनी एक हेजे कशें योग्य तरेन प्रोटोकॉल घेवन फुडें वचपाचो आमचो तोच प्रयत्न आसता.
Mr. Rani, is there
Yes, madam.
Is there a cap on the private
No, just now he said, no, so
no. The
testing.
private testing, this thing. My question is, there are 2 points. One is that in Goa, you go to suburban lab, they charge 4,500 rupees, but the sample is sent to Bombay. So in Bombay, the same lab charges 2,800 rupees. So what is Goa government's?
You know, at the moment there was a backlog. We just discussed that issue. Today there is no backlog as far as our hospitals are concerned. If you are a person of Goan origin, you can go to any of our hospitals and centers and get yourself checked. We are not charging anybody in the government hospitals. Let me be very honest with you. A lot of people, a lot of industrial people, you know, they are doing their own. They are asking some SRL or somebody else to do their testing. But anybody coming to government hospital, we are doing it free. Let me tell you, as we speak, madam, you asked a very relevant question. Many times fast, quick decision making which need to be ratified at later date, because we find that in order to contain the COVID-19 and to be correct in terms of finding out what is happening, we have started antigen testing. If we find there's something, some grey area as far as antigen testing is concerned, then we refer him to RT-PCR for testing. And we have used nearly close to, we have ordered 1 lakh kits, and that also is a certified Government of India company that we are not charging anybody. But if some tourist is coming from outside, if the government is doing, then we are charging that person for coming into the state of Goa.
But is there a cap? Because
No, I'll tell you, I'm coming to that. Now, antigen testing, that kit which is being procured by the state government, that state government procures it at around 450 rupees, where that pricing is capped by the central government. State government cannot even buy it for 1 rupee extra. So basically, you must understand there are several rates which have been capped by the central government. Now, when you ask me whether the capping, now as far as my facilities are concerned, you can go to Chikalim, you can go wherever you want, but we will not charge. But if a traveler is coming to a different mode, we will charge. Today, ICMR is allowing only, not antibody testing, they are allowing antigen testing, and as a result of which it is through a nasal swab, where within 15 to 20 minutes you get a result. Basically, I have also done an antigen test, I have also done an RT-PCR test, and as far as the antigen test is concerned, it gave within 20 minutes the results were out. So, you know, there has to be, I think there is a capping as far as these rates are concerned of these labs, but I'm appealing to the people. There was a backlog initially, but today we are much prepared, and I want to tell you, we have ordered nearly 1 lakh kits, out of which 60,000 are already over. We are not getting kits. Now, GMC, I told them to procure and keep at least 10,000. DHS has got some, because now we are going to test every person who is admitted in GMC. He cannot occupy a bed unless he does the antigen testing. And only then we will be able to secure the institutions and the medical care facilities in the state. If there's an attendant who's coming and who's going to go into the GMC, he must do antigen testing. So those protocols, before the next Friday briefing, we will inform.
But what about the people who are not Goan origin? So then.
No, in Goa, suppose you are staying in Goa, you are not from Goa, but you go to GMC, we are not charging you. We are not charging you at all.
But will you be taking up with the suburban?
If you have anything, if you have, no, Vindhya, if you have got anything specific, share it with me, let me discuss with
So
secretary.
there-
take
there
it.
have been
Difference
complaints
is
that there
double,
are.
right? I mean, everybody.
No, but this, I want to ask you one thing. A tourist is checked and charged at the entry point,
True.
right? Now, who is going to this lab?
No, but shouldn't the government itself put a slab? It's not the tourist.
No,
There are
Goa government doesn't have the power. I don't think we have the power to put capping on the laboratory
Of course
testing.
you do. Maharashtra
Yeah.
and Delhi have done it.
So, madam, if you have got any specific thing, we will. Government of India already in the past has come with certain guidelines. I will once again recheck that and revert to you in the next 2 days. Give me time. Just share your number with me. I'll just check on these things. And also, second thing I want to tell you: if a person in Vasco, or a person in Madgaon, or a person in Panjim wants to test, if he goes to our centers, we are doing it free of cost. We are not charging anybody. So I don't know what is the reason for them to go to these labs to get checked. They
There
can
is
go
a
to our.
delay also from the government.
There is no backlog as we speak. 24 hours a person gets a report as we speak. There was a backlog. There was a backlog about 5,000-6,000 tests or 8,000 tests. It's all cleared. Today we are clearing most of the things with antigen. Where we require to do repeat RT-PCR, we are doing RT-PCR.
What is the status of 4 MLAs who are at the
They are stable, madam. Sudhin I spoke to. I don't know. Ravi Naik I have not spoken to, but Sudhin is stable. Churchill is stable. That's what the hospitals told me. All are
They are
stable.
all in
Mr. Naik's
Manipal?
condition is also stable.
They are all in Manipal?
They are all in Manipal also.
So
Yeah.
then lot of staff of the secretariat has tested positive,
Yeah.
including I think 2-3 IS officers.
I don't know madam, about the IS officers. I don't know, but I know staff has got tested positive, and if the government takes a decision, then we can whoever are symptomatic, we can immediately test them and we will do it.
Sir, how many critical?
And also, madam, they are our government servants. They work for our government. If they give if they want, they can come to Goa Medical College and get themselves tested. There is no issue.
Sir, how many critical patients we going to shift from here side to here?
सध्या आम्ही शिफ्टिंगाची उलोवंक ना आम्ही हांगा आता प्रोटोकॉल करता मंडेचे जे कोण आता क्रिटिकल आमकां चड दिसता तांकां आमी त्या हाय डिपेंडन्स युनिटान घालतले सध्या आमी सगळे तिथे डीनाक हांव सांगता मातशें तें उत्तर दिवपाक
Basically, patients who will be shifting to GMC, they would be requiring multiple super specialty consultations. Like, somebody who requires repeated scanning, repeated MRI, these facilities which are not available there, where they would require endocrine facilities, they require cardiology. Such patients we will be shifting. We have made a list, tentative list, and in that 6-7 are fitting in that category.
Okay.
Before I just say about this, there was some apprehensions about in the public that last Friday, Honorable Ministers declared 146, 147 and 145 to be the wards in GMC. Why they were delayed? Every day I was getting a news that GMC is not bothered. It is not that. Our 146 ward is ready today because when you are taking critical of critical patients, you need a totally different infrastructure. When we wanted to put exhaust fans, we wanted to put HEPA filters, these were not existing. And it is not easy in a government setup to buy this high-end equipment within 24 hours. But by surpassing all and with the good cooperation of the PhD, Health Secretary and Honorable Minister, today we got all HEPA filters. They are already fixed. We have emptied the ward. We are going to do cleaning there. Morning I am putting exhaust fans. In spite of festival we are not stopping. We are going to put exhaust fans tomorrow, almost about 12 exhaust fans. And from Monday we will be shifting 113 patients. This is for clarity of the people because there was a wrong message going on that GMC is just delaying. Ground reality is bad. It is not so. So we have done everything. From Monday 113 ward patients will be shifted to this critical patient. They will be treated there with all facilities. We have put 194 extra points to put in infusion pumps, to put ventilator. So this requires some time. You understood me? So this will be done on Monday. Monday 113 all patients will go and some critical who can be shifted from ESI will be taken to GMC. And we are going to take all the precautions as far as this segregation is concerned.
Could you tell us what is the profile of the 8 deaths that took place yesterday?
Profile of deaths, there are, these patients, actually, there was one more misunderstanding. What people used to say that in GMC or as in COVID, patients are just dying. It is not that. Most of these patients, they are presented to us very late with a very florid pneumonia. See, there is something called as, missing a bus. In COVID pneumonia, if you can treat somebody with remdesivir and plasma in first week, you can really conquer that disease within no time. And the same thing happened with our big VIP, He was treated in the right time, that is teaching time has saved, So that kind of approach if we take, most of these patients who have died, they have come to the hospital very late.
What's the average delay that you're seeing in all
So
these?
almost some of them have come after 10 days.
Sir, the AIMS doctors that come, have you taken some advice from them?
AIMS doctors interacted with the Goa Medical College team. Again, one more thing was there that they never spoke to GMC. They spoke to GMC because GMC team had gone to Manipal to see Honorable Minister Ayush. Okay, that time they interacted with our team. Our team and then the Manipal doctors, they were talking to them. They showed the protocol followed by our Manipal, and what we had advised. They were happy with the protocol. Dr. Uday Kakodkar, who is administrator of ESI OPD, ESI hospital, was interacting with AIMS team, and he has taken all the suggestions and the.
They have made some suggestions of changes.
They have made suggestions. We are actually following full protocols of AIMS only. We are in constant touch with that Dr. Guleria, who is guiding the whole nation. He is an expert on COVID protocols. He is from AIMS.
Could you just give us some statistics on the total number of doctors who are right now on this entire exercise? PSI, Ponda, and Margao, and GMC? And also the total number of beds that you have right now?
Right now, we are having almost 64 positive cases in GMC who are undergoing treatment, COVID. Then in ESI, we have 202 patients. And in SDH Ponda, we are having 28. So these are the patients who are really symptomatic critical. All of them require medical attention. They are moderate to severe. Then we actually had our death rate is much less as compared to, it's less than 1%. I'm telling you. Our recovery rate is almost 79.14%. That's even 80%, which is a good recovery rate as compared to WHO standards.
And the number of doctors and nurses for the entire population?
Doctors, madam, it is roughly, I can tell you, in GMC almost about 150 doctors are running around. In ESI we have
In Ponda, we have got about 12 consultants and about 25 MBBS doctors, resident doctors. Then in nurses in ESI, we have got about 75 nurses in ESI. But doctors are different category.
But after our conclusion today, we are putting a proposal for additional nurses only for ICU management, because we are still running short. Thank you so much. Thank you.